I am here. My girls that I craft with, that's 757 crew that we Zoom with twice a week. We do different challenges, and so I had this little jar that I had a whole bunch of different little challenges in for myself. I have actually a couple jars. One is for my Cricut with different projects and things to try. One is full of just techniques. This one is more like things to do to ICADs, ATCs, inches, 20s, mixed media, like prompts that you can use to make on a project. But I have one jar that is just for projects, one is just for Cricut and stuff. But anyway, so I have my items in here, as well as the girls I work with. They added some extra ones in here. And so actually this is, I think my grandson counted, it was 287, if I'm not mistaken, prompts. I think a couple of them, maybe like 6 of them are duplicated. But anyway, we pulled some out. And the first one that we're going to do is we're going to use the Gorjuss Girl. We are making ICADs for the whole month of September. So today is September 1. Video will probably be up tomorrow, later, whatever, but we're doing ICADs. And so an ICAD is the index card a day. And typically it's for 2 months. A lot of times they do it in June and July, or July and August. No, June and July. But you can make them any month. But typically the whole thing about index cards, whether you use a 3x5 or 4x6, which I'm using 4x6, index card is that you're supposed to do whatever you want on it. There's not one set style. It's just like ATCs. You can use any type of style, any type of medium, blah, blah, blah. We're going to be doing it with at least one prompt, and the rest of it, do whatever you want to do on it. The other thing is, it could be mixed media, it could be clean and simple, it could be magazine, it could be collage, it could be all kinds of things. So I'm going to do a whole bunch just like I do with my ATCs. I'm going to do all kinds of different techniques and different ones. And so we're trying to make one every single day, but our goal is by on Saturdays when we Zoom for our project night that we have to have things made by Saturday night. So at the latest. But I just thought I'd finish up what I was making now on camera. So what we do is, like I said, we just kind of pick different topics and different things that we like to do, and we challenge ourselves to do it. And so we did we've done cards, we've done rosettes and ATCs and ICADs. Now we're doing ICADs. We've done inchies and twinchies and scene cards, and this is the paper, the old paper pad that I was just trying to use up, and I'm using this Spellbinders die, which I will show you on the back of this in a second. And this is the Gorjuss Girl, and it is, which one is this one? Number 2, New Heights. So I'm using a little mini. I already colored and inked it with my, professional work. I'm using this decorative paper on top of a couple of pieces of 4x6 110-pound cards to get some stability. And when I finish with this, I'm going to keep them in my notebook. I have a notebook that I keep my ICAD ATCs in, which I didn't think to pull it out right now, but I will show it on one of these videos, I'm sure. And so this, again, we're just playing around, doing different stuff. And like I said, each one will be a little different, depending on time and depending on what the prompt is. And so just pulling out stuff just to give it a little different types of textures and backgrounds. Really enjoying it because we have fun. The ladies that are scrapping, but we do different stuff all the time. I'm behind on my videos. I am so far behind on getting my videos up as far as the things that we have challenged each other to do. So like on Friday nights when we scrap, it's, work on whatever projects you're working on. But if we do on Saturday night, that's when we have a challenge. So we have written out a list of things that we want to be challenged by, and then we go back and we create those things. And we just give ourselves, before that night is over with, we have to make that project, which is kind of fun. I think probably the hardest night for everybody was probably the inchies and twinchie night, because a lot of, with the exception of me, nobody else had made inchies and twinchies. But it was fun. We had such a ball, which I'll get that video up. I'm so late. That was a couple of weeks ago and I haven't gotten the video up. And I want to show you what I made on those. But anyway, we have had fun just playing around and making different stuff. And so that is what I'm doing up here. I think this is going to be my little layout. And so I am going to say, if you're interested in joining us for the 757 crew, we're going to be doing this, like I said, the ICAD each day for the month of September. And I will have the prompt below, so just, make a comment in my box below. You can also check out Miss Liz Scrappy. She's also doing it as well. I'm not sure she'll be posting her videos. And of course, now I can't find my glue. God, because I decided to cut the camera on, but I didn't have the camera on. Everything's right in my face, and I know it's right in my face. Here it is. But anyway, what I was saying was, she should have her videos up, I'm sure. I don't know if she's going to post them every day or end of the week, I'm not sure. But she will be having her videos posted as well. And if you want to play along, to make some ICADs, again, do whatever you want to do with them. And if you want to follow our prompts, follow our prompts. We have all kinds of different, some might be easy, some going to be challenging. So this one, like I said, the first one was to use a gorgeous girl on an ICAD. And however you interpret that, that is totally up to you. And this is just to build your stash of ICADs. And so the whole point of ICADs, though, a little different than ATCs in the sense that ICADs are used to kind of generate your creativity, to keep you motivated, to help you just spark that creativity. And so there's a lot of different groups that you can follow, or Facebook groups and prompts that you can get for ICADs. And so you don't even have to have a prompt. You could just make an ICAD every single day, just whatever you have on your table with your scraps, So you don't have to have a prompt. You don't have to have a group. But it's supposed to help you just spark your creativity by thinking outside the box. So that's what I like about ICADs and ATCs. I like switching up my style, trying something new, because it's on a small canvas. And these are not ones necessarily I'm not selling them. Although they have like ATCs that you can sell. They're called, oh my gosh, I just lost it. ACEOs, yeah, I think that's what it is. If I said it wrong, somebody just type it in the box below. Oh, my finger's dirty. It got my cloud dirty. Anyway, this lighting is terrible. But again, it's just, the opportunity for you to get yourself going, using up some scraps, and to be creative and to think of things, to challenge yourself and to try something different. So that's pretty much what I'm working on for the rest of September. We'll be doing that. I'm not in any collabs. So, other than with my girls. And so you hopefully, I don't know how I'll be able to get my video up every day, but hopefully I will. I'm so far behind on some of my videos, it's a shame. But and I'm going to ink everything up, and then I am going to come right back and show you that I'm going to put some glossy accents, I think, on those little hearts, just to get them a little bit of a glow. And I'm going to date stamp it as well. So I am going to ink up the edges, and then I'm going to trace on all of those real quick, and I will be right back. For pastel pit pen, I usually use one of these. Just, oh, scared me, boy. Hey, my grandson came in here. He's always scaring me. I think that's his thing, especially when I'm crafting and making a video. He loves to do that since he's been little. Anyway, I am just going to trace around. So this, I have to go quite fast because this page isn't like gessoed, so it doesn't move as quickly as if I had laid down, matte medium on it, but it still can be moved. And I just like to give it a little definition. It helps it kind of pop off the page, gives that little bit of dimension, that shadow, and it also makes it cohesive. So it just gives it some dimension. And sometimes I'll just use a pen. I just personally like that look. Everybody doesn't. So, and sometimes on some projects I don't. But that's just a personal choice, whatever you like. So there's no right or wrong. And see it? And then it's stuck, but it's okay. Yes, alright. We'll deal with it, right? There we go. But that takes away some of that whiteness, that darkness of it. It makes my stuff look a little dirty right here. But guess what? I don't care. I don't mean to get it on the paper. I need to get it around the edges. Oh man, I tell you, you know that chat when Bo went to the painting talk about him. When I found out Bo died, I just was like, oh, sad. He seemed like such a cool guy, you know. Off screen dealing with cancer, and very graciously and fought it valiantly. It's amazing. And again, this step right here is optional. You don't have to do that. I don't know why I like it, but I do. I like a little bit of you know, smear it and make it grungy. It just kind of gives it that old look, and I'm good with that. But other than that, it's the beginning of September and time is flying. This year's going to be over with soon, and I can't say that it's going to be missed. Been an interesting year, full of so many twists and turns I don't think that any of us expected, but it's hopefully the year to help us see more clearly. I am going to go grab some accents, glossy accents, and then I think I'll add that, and then I think I'll be done. I'll be right back again. Okay, my glossy accent is drying, and it's grunged out a little bit, kind of that messy look, and I am all done. So I will have pictures on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative 1, because I know my lighting here is terrible, and this is late at night, and you can't really see. I swear to God, I can never get. I don't swear, but I mean, I just like, ugh. Anyway, that is my ICAD number 1. So if you are interested in playing along, the prompt is Gorjuss Girl. Again, you can do a 3x5, 4x6. I'm doing a 4x6. And hashtag 757 ICAD challenge. And let us know what you did, or leave a comment below so I can check out your page or Instagram where you posted it, so I can see your creation. Again, using the Gorjuss Girl. Any style, any format you want. Just use a Gorjuss Girl. That's for day number 1. That's our prompt. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm adding this on to the beginning of the video because I just did a little bit of change on that much. But anyway, I forgot to show you on this piece of paper that I used. I fussy cut out all the elements from off this sheet of paper. And you see my hands are terrible because guess what? I forgot to show you the stamp. This is the stamp that I used. It's by Seth Apter. You know, he's a mixed media artist, and this one is called Thunderstorm. I love thunderstorms. And of course, I ended up stamping it fell on my arm because it was only like my whole arm stamped with archival ink, so I was scrub that out. And of course, earlier before I even started, I dropped my ink pad on this brand new shirt. So yay! Like everything's just like going crazy. So I added another, I don't even want to touch because I know I'm messing up my hands. I added another bird, and I had the little smear there, so I added 2 more hearts and still smeared it, but hey, whatever. That's what I did. I added some glossy accents onto the clouds. So, I don't know. Anyway, so you'll be able to see the rest of it and what I did and how it looked before I finished the first time. It was just missing a little bit. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you. Well, I shouldn't have said that because you got to watch the rest of the video. So anyway, see the rest of the video.